The Nothing Phone 3A is here to shake up the smartphone market with its stunning design, flagship-level features, and impressive performance, all at an accessible price point. Packed with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, and a triple-camera setup, the Nothing Phone 3A combines elegant aesthetics with powerful hardware, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast for an immersive viewing experience. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures super smooth scrolling, faster response times, and a better overall experience for gaming, watching videos, and navigating the interface. This display also supports HDR10+, bringing dynamic contrast and vivid colors to compatible content. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, playing mobile games, or browsing social media, the Nothing Phone 3A provides crisp, clear visuals that enhance every moment. At the heart of the Nothing Phone 3A is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, a powerful mid-range processor that promises smooth performance and efficiency. Paired with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, this phone can handle everyday tasks, multitasking, and even light gaming with ease. The Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset is designed for high performance while ensuring better power efficiency, meaning you can enjoy fast and responsive performance without sacrificing battery life. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or using apps, the Nothing Phone 3A will keep everything running smoothly. The Nothing Phone 3A features a triple-camera setup, delivering versatile photography for users who love capturing moments. 50MP main sensor. With a large sensor, this camera allows you to capture detailed, sharp images with excellent color reproduction. Whether you're shooting in daylight or low light, the 50MP main camera ensures your photos look stunning. 8MP ultra-wide sensor, perfect for landscapes, group shots, and wide-angle photography. The ultra-wide camera captures a 120-degree field of view, allowing you to fit more into your frame. 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. The 50MP telephoto camera enables you to get closer to the action with its 2x optical zoom, capturing details from a distance without losing clarity or sharpness. The Nothing Phone 3A also comes with advanced AI features for enhancing your photos, such as night mode, portrait mode, and AI scene recognition, so your shots always look professional. On the front, the Nothing Phone 3A includes a selfie camera with AI-enhanced features for sharp and natural selfies. Whether you're using it for selfies or video calls, you can expect high-quality results. The Nothing Phone 3A is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, providing all-day usage for video streaming, social media browsing, and gaming without worrying about running out of power. The phone supports 45W fast charging, which means you can go from 0 to 100% in just under an hour, so you won't be waiting long to get back to using your device. The fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up when needed, keeping you connected and powered up throughout your day. One of the most eye-catching features of the Nothing Phone 3A is its sleek, minimalistic design with the signature Glyph lighting on the back. The transparent back panel reveals the phone's inner components, giving it a futuristic, premium feel that stands out from the crowd. The Glyph lighting adds a unique touch, allowing the phone to illuminate with different light patterns for incoming notifications, charging status, and calls. This feature not only looks cool, but also makes it easier to see notifications without turning the phone over. The Nothing Phone 3A is also lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring a comfortable in-hand feel. The Nothing Phone 3A runs on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, offering a clean, bloat-free experience. With minimalist design elements, smooth animations, and useful features, Nothing OS enhances the overall user experience. Enhanced privacy controls and security features, including face unlock and the under-display fingerprint sensor. Glyph interface customization, where you can change the lighting patterns and set them to different apps or notifications. The Nothing OS is fast, intuitive, and designed to give you maximum functionality with a minimalistic interface. The Nothing Phone 3A is designed to withstand everyday challenges with its IP54 rating, meaning it's protected from dust and splashes of water. While it's not fully waterproof, the IP54 rating provides peace of mind when you're caught in a light drizzle or if you spill a little water on the phone. The Nothing Phone 3A offers a premium design, solid performance, and impressive camera capabilities at an affordable price. It's a phone for those who want flagship-level features without the high-end price tag. With its Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, 120Hz AMOLED display, and versatile camera setup, the Nothing Phone 3A is perfect for anyone who values design, performance, and innovative features. If you liked this review of the Nothing Phone 3A, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more content on the latest tech. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3A? Are you excited about the Glyph lighting and the triple camera system? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.